Hi, I am Rajatnam Kanagarajan, founder CEO of Essar Engineers. Today in this video you are going to see how virgin coconut oil with the dry process is being produced. This project which we are given in Coimbatore is located in a place called Tennambalayam where they process around 10,000 coconuts per day. In this process the machines behind him itself is a self-explanatory, where we have this machine is called the deshelling, where in the deshelling the shells are removed, and then is the paring machine. The paring the brown skin is pared out. Then this machine is pared meat is taken to an pre-cutter, where it is cut into small pieces, and then it is taken to a pulverizer to make the wet desiccated coconut powder. From there it is taken to the dryer. The machine behind you, you can see the dryer. In this dryer, the moisture is brought down, dried, and the white desiccated coconut powder is produced. This coconut powder also can be marketed as well as, and after this desiccated coconut powder is put into a screw expeller and the virgin coconut oil is produced. The dried DC powder from the dryer is taken to this room where the screw press is located. In this screw press, the virgin coconut oil is expelled from the desiccated coconut powder. This machine has capacity of 20 kgs per hour. The oil expelled is around 60% is expelled from the desiccated coconut powder. The oil is almost water clear, and this filter is oil is again it is filtered through a filter press and then filled into bottles in the bottling machine. These type of projects we installed, we give turnkey solutions from laying out the project till filling the bottle, and we also guide you guys on marketing. Thank you very much.